Let I is equal to integral 1 over 1 minus 2x into 1 plus 4x square root 1 plus 4x dx. Solution: put 1 plus 4x is equal to t and 1 plus 4x is equal to t square by taking square on both sides, and 4 dx is equal to 2t dt, and dx is equal to 2 over 4 t dt, and dx is equal to 1 over 2 t dot dt. Now by putting values 1 over 1 minus 2 into value of x t square minus 1 over 4 into t 1 plus 4x square root 1 plus 4x is equal to 2t, and value of dx 1 over 2 t dot dt. Here t cancel with t. Next step, I is equal to 1 over 2 integral 1 over 1 minus t square minus 1 over 2 dt. Next 1 over 2 integral 1 over, by taking LCM, 2 minus t square plus 1 over 2 dt. So next 1 over 2 integral 1 over 2 plus 1 3 minus t square over 2 dt. Next 2 over 2 integral 1 over 3 minus t square dt. यहाँ पर 2 के साथ 2 कैंसल. Next step 1 over 3 minus t square dt. So 1 over 2 under root of 3 natural log of 3 under root plus t over 3 under root minus t. By putting value of t, and t value is 1 plus 4x over 3 under root minus 1 plus 4x. This is answer.